Whoa, oh, oh, Jasmine, why don't you tell me how your day has been? I see the stars above you glowing, so won't you give me that smile again? Whoa, Jasmine, your eyes are gorgeously mind-blowing. Show me that slow arc of yours, darling, and see me on and on, amusing my pain. Whoa, Jasmine, whoa, 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 Jasmine, why don't you come home to me? Whoa, Jasmine, why don't you come home to me? It's a shame chasing you without knowing your name. A roller coaster seems to be your game. I've been waiting for my prize to claim. And I love you and love the things that you say and do. Don't ask me why, 'cause I have no clue. But I know that you're for me and I'm for you. So sing it with me, Jasmine. Whoa, 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 Jasmine, why don't you come home to me? Whoa, Jasmine, why don't you come home to me? Why don't you come home to me and sing, Jasmine? A song that keeps me up at night with you, darling. Baby, won't you be my sunshine next morning? Whoa, Jasmine, why don't you come home to me?